Hi, I'm Tully, and today we'll be baking a spectacular dessert for Mother's Day. Would you believe that it's keto too? Everyone loves a good cheesecake, especially my mother, and everyone loves a good brownie too. This sugar-free cheesecake brownie will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth without ingesting a buttload of sugar from it, so you can eat it all day long without any regret. The ingredients are as follows. For the brownie layer, you'll need 1 stick unsalted butter, 1/4 cup erythritol sweetener, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup almond flour, 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. For the cheesecake layer, you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Alright, now that we got our ingredients, it's time to begin baking. Put that 1 stick of butter into a large bowl. Make sure to slice it up so it's easier to bake. Add the eggs to it. Then the vanilla extract. And then just mix it all up. Once it's mixed, you can add the erythritol, or whatever sweetener you use. Once that is mixed, you can add the flours. Make sure to mix it slowly so nothing spills. Then you can add the cocoa powder. Make sure to add the exact right amount of cocoa powder just to make sure that your brownie is not too bitter.
No.
You can add chocolate chips if desired. Then reserve about 1/4 cup of the batter. You'll need it later. Spray a pan on the sides too, and then add the brownie batter to it. Spread it evenly across the bottom of the pan. Now to make the cheesecake. Add the egg and then beat it up. Then add the vanilla extract. Now for the cream cheese. Whipped cream cheese or blocked cream cheese is okay. Now you have to mix it all up. Make sure to mix it evenly. Now you spread it across your brownie layer that you already kept inside of the pan. Add some milk to the reserved 1/4 cup of batter that you reserved. Mix it up. Once you've mixed it up, you can pour it across your cheesecake layer that's already in the pan. Then you can swirl it with a knife. You don't have to swirl it. You can just spread it if you want. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then pop the brownie in. Set the kitchen timer for 30 minutes. To make sure that your cheesecake is cooked, check to see how much of the cheesecake is wobbling. Only a small part in the middle should wobble. Leave it to cool for some time. And voila, your mom will not know it hit her. Happy Mother's Day, everyone!